In the previous video, we looked at how to create an artifact feed and enable them for the upstream packages. So here we look at how to configure the artifact feed specifically to set up the artifact feed as a NuGet server. So going back to our artifact feed, the internal NuGet server, I'll click on the settings, and this is where I can manage all the settings, security policies for an artifact. So I have the name, the description, and also a few options whether you want to, how long you want to retain the packages in a given for a given package, maximum number of versions that per package, how many history packages that you want to store. If I give 5, you will have the latest version plus 4 other packages available for your team. And how many for the in case of a mirror packages where this particular feed picks up the feed the artifact the package from NuGet server, how many days you want to keep them in your artifact feed. This is helpful when considering the space limitations that are available. So, and then you have the permissions. Permissions is where you decide what are the permissions each user or a group has. Now you can be the user or the group can be an owner, contributor, collaborator, or reader, and according to the role of the team or a people, you may enable that. For example, the development team will have the contributor role, while a DevOps and DevOps or CI/CD team may have a reader role. Example. Right, so now with this setting, now you have the views. Now by default a package is deployed as a local package because I've enabled this as a default view. So unless specified, when you're publishing a package, by default it will be published as a local package. Then you will be we can there are options to promote them from local to pre-release to release, and control access to the people or a group at the view level. So example, if I go back and I'll say add a user, and once I have added a user, I'll be also able to select the view and configure the settings for that view as well. And finally, the upstream. So this is where we can configure what are the upstream services that this particular field can connect to. So if you see here, basically we are connecting to the commonly used npm package, my package server, NuGet, PyPI, MIM, Central. What this means is when your development team connects to the artifact feed, that internal NuGet server, and they try to access a package which is on, let's say, npm server, this particular feed would connect to the npm.js server and then get you the package if not available in the artifact server. So since we are trying to create a NuGet server, I'm going to delete all other upstreams and only keep only the NuGet gallery, which means that this particular artifact field can only can store your custom packages or get the packages from the NuGet server.